Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. This is me, your favorite Taiba Hussain Tuba, and I'm from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is KT100. So today I'm gonna talk about my favorite fruit. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. My favorite fruit's name is strawberry. Strawberry is a winter season fruit, and strawberry is really delicious. It looks also very delicious. Strawberry has minerals, antioxidants, vitamin C, etc. We will get healthy if we eat strawberry. We can make many things from strawberry. There are many things in flavor of strawberry like strawberry flavor biscuit, cream, cake, pastry and ice cream also. We can make strawberry jelly, juice and many things. We can make also fruit salad with strawberry. Strawberry is a very delicious fruit. It is good for our skin. And I love to eat strawberry. My father bought it for me. Strawberry is not available in Bangladesh. It is a little bit of expensive. Thank you for listening me. Cordially. Bye.